My name is Zavi Borja, usually just go by Zavi, and today we're gonna go snowshoeing. Every morning, every day starts with making some coffee. Always bring it up to the mountain. Bring it anywhere I can, anywhere I go. Food-wise, I just go simple. Sandwich, peanut butter and honey. Maybe if we can open it. Snack, coffee and water, we're good to go. Trekking poles or hiking sticks, this basket piece right here, it just really allows you to grip the snow, but you don't necessarily need these to go snowshoeing. Ya llegamos, we're here. And conditions look so solid. It's a little bit chilly, but we prepared for that. I'm gonna throw on extra little jacket here. You can always take it off and just toss it in my backpack. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and load up our mochila, backpack, put in a little water bottle in there. Snacks. First aid, right there. Multi-purpose tool, just because you never know. Chapstick. Also like to keep an extra pair of gloves, just in case my hands get super wet or they're soaking. Just nice to have a nice little extra pair in there. Ya estamos listos para caminar en la nieve. We're ready to walk in the snow. Let's get it. If I were talking to somebody who's never been snowshoeing, I would just recommend getting out there. Probably the most accessible winter sport there is. That's the beauty of the technology with snowshoes, is that it spreads out your weight evenly. Got snowshoe trail system, so we're gonna be looking out for this little sign right there. Pro tip, I like to take a picture of the map just in case I need it, and I can always reference it later. It's a pretty inclined hike, so let's get it. It's not about where we're going. Enjoy where you're at, like the company you're with. That's a big part of being in the outdoors, you know, away from screen time and just enjoying what's around you and being present. And this is something not to take for granted. These are incredible views. Oh, I forgot almost. Coffee. Salud. Still warm. Wanna bite? My name is Zavi Borja, and this is how I go. Vamanos!